Like angisamthandi because vele lo thanda kusengela ngiqiniso hayi ukuthi ungithanda kube ngithanda ungithandiswa umuthi bengimthanda eqaleni but hayi manje angisamthandi and the reason ngimlethela ukuthi mina naye ngifuna sihlukane hayi unomngane wami wasemakhaya wangiyenza mina ngedwa so
you said usebenzise ini
ngithi ngisebenzisa ubheka mina ngedwa olalonke nje bengidlile ukuthi sithanda mina.
Yo, it's your boy Am. It is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. On today's episode, Mpethe Unamhla bringing Elvin. Let's get into it.
Sanibonani, igama lami uNamhla. I'm 26 years. Ngize la ku Save My Relationship. Ngizosho ukuthi ngifuna ukuhlangana nalomuntu enginayo because uthando lwethu akulonela ngempela.
Hey yo, it's your boy Am. It is what it is before it was what it was. As I said to you guys earlier on that I'll be having Unamhla bringing Elvin. Are you guys good?
I'm good, and how are you?
Gishap, wena?
I'm good, bro. How's it?
I'm good. Do you know why we brought you to our show?
No.
You've got no clue?
No idea.
Oh, okay.
No, angimtshelanga.
Oh, okay. So this is Save My Relationship. Basically, it's a show that focuses on people's love problems that they cannot solve themselves. So what we basically do here, we just give them a platform. Some couples, they cannot communicate. Yeah, so we brought you Lana ngoba umuntu wakho there's something afuna ukutshela and I don't know, was there something going on that you're suspecting?
No, as from my understanding, Sarah, like we're okay. Yeah, she knows. So, I don't know from here, but you're right.
You're right. You guys are not fighting.
No, perfectly fine.
Do you love Unamhla?
You have no idea.
You love him?
Aye.
Love him. Yeah. Unamhla, Elvin, uyamthanda?
No, angisamthandi manje.
Awusamthandi?
No.
What's going on? Wangasamthandi?
Bengimthanda eqaleni but hayi manje. That's why ngize la kule show.
No, okay.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
Okay, all I'm trying to say is that angisamthandi. And the reason ngimlethela ukuthi mina naye ngifuna sihlukane.
Why?
Yazi kwenzakalani ne? Angisho yakhuluma ukuthi ubujana le girlfriend obunayo before ngihlangana nabo.
Manje.
So mina ngihambile ke ngaya kumuntu oyisangoma. Ngafike wanginikeza umuthi. Ngamdlisa ukuthi ayeke le ntombazana afocus kimi. But manje like angisamthandi because vele lo thanda kusengela ngiqiniso. Hayi ukuthi ungithanda kube ngithanda ungithandiswa umuthi.
So okay. Wena bomthanda before
Yeah, but manje inkinga too much. Usho ukuthi lo muthi engimdlisa wona umenza ukuthi angithande kakhulu ene manje sekugcina sekenesidina kahle kahle. Yebo.
Yes. Wait, you said usebenzise ini?
Ngithi ngisebenzisa ubheka mina ngedwa.
Hayi.
Unomngane wami wasemakhaya wangiyenza ubheka mina ngedwa so olalonke nje bengidlile ukuthi sithanda mina na.
Hayi ayikho like I don't understand. Umuthi.
Yeah, kahle into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi sengifuna ukumove on.
Move on. Okay.
Yeah. Because manje kunabantu abangishelayo and engibathandayo. But manje ngoba kusasena lo muntu lo ilife yami yabo like ungivalela indlela zami.
Also wena uzela ukuzoenda into zeni.
Is there something that I'm not giving you? Like I don't understand.
No, like ukuthi vela ngisakuthanda.
Andufuna ini? What do you
ayikho into engayenza phela yini ngiforce ukuthi ngithanda umuntu, you understand? If ungasamthanda.
Okay, so what about my feelings?
Mina kuma feelings wakho angisangeni. Njengitshekile nje. Okay, yazi.
Okay, yazi Ima, wait. Oh, just wait. Mina, I still love you and there's nothing, and I mean nothing is going to stop me.
Ngicela uzithande enough. Umuntu usetha akufuna accept ukuthi awufuna ukuthi abantu move on. Ilife injalo. iyalahlana empilweni angeke uhlale uthandana nomuntu oyi-one forever just accept it angikufuni futhi angisakuthandi ungaloko ngibangela isicefe mina
so ngisicefe
that's why lo bhuti lo ngimlethela because bengazi vele ukuthi uzo-actor so
Yeah,
so ngicela ukuthi nikhulume naye mina like
Mara, it's not about you want me to buy this dress bengisicefe.
no mina ungangithengeli phela bese bengijola nawe kanti ngicabanga ukuzalalela namantombazana mahhala for free eJoburg ike yakhona mara
Uyathengisa yini wena?
no angithengisi but I'm just asking ukuthi ucabanga uzolala
No, if you're selling, you just have to tell me.
no but mina ngikufuni that's it
I mean, I still want you.
yo awusenkingeni
And just like, okay,
kahle kahle ngicela usho mina senginomuntu
anginandaba nomuntu loyo mina. Kanti khona manje
angisamfundi obhuti lo bengicela ukuthi ngitshela
we still
ngizifuna
staying in the same
ngazi
house now. We still staying together. Yabona manje as soon as we from here we going to my place, we still staying together mina naye.
mina mangiphuma la ngiye kumuntu wami angisayindlu napho futhi nalezi mpahla ezilapha it's fine ungazigcina angisazidingi
Mara windawo.
angimfundi obhuti
So okay,
Anyway, I'm done.
wenza ungasamthandi ngoba
vele ukuthi angithandi samthandi ngazi that why angisamthandi mina nginomuntu wami manje
Okay, yabona manje like bengihlanganisa imali ne like you are about
To pay amalobolo and stuff.
and stuff like that.
Uyovela,
And I already told my uncles that okay, there's someone that I've met and then like you are more than mom nje wona umuntu right. Like she's you just take a good look at her.
No,
Right, like this fine. Could be. Because I want you and there's more
right
than
ngalokho bengizole
like seriously.
ungangibambi please bengizole lento leyo la kule show ayikho into engiyizele ukuthi
Bruh, what about me?
philisa le
I still want you, but I still want you. I still want
no angisamfundi
Okay,
so okay angitshele ukuthi uye emntwini ukuthi umdlise akwazi ucala ukukhuluma naye umtshela ukuthi uyamthanda noma uyamfuna ukuthi ibe natural into yakho
uyambona into akazenzayo ke anganakadini umuntu owenza so
imancanti simuzi sithini sayidini lakhe
no ukumthanda eqaleni bengimthanda phela bengingazi ukuthi uzofika isikhathi la ngingasamthandi khona mina nginomunye umuntu manje and angeke ngijoyine
Umthanda
amadoda
eqaleni?
yeah
so why ungamlandanga wamshela ngoba ngiyazi okay ayenza amantombazana into like umshele without umthelela ubheka mina ngedwa
no phela bengizabe nizihlekisa abantu bangabe ngishelana namadoda
Why you been sitting there? Because I honestly, like, I don't understand what this.
no I just want you guys to
Like,
ngicela ngisize ngizele lento leyo kuzoenda i-relationship that's it
wena ufuna ukuyi-end i-relationship
phela
to
iphela
be honest, I can't.
if ever noma
even if it's 17,
akusuthanda lento le wenziwa umuthi lo njengoba behavior kanje umuthi akusuwuye
like,
ulo
even if
ile thando le fake ngicela ukuthi nimhambise niyomkhalazisa akugabhele into engimdlisa yona lo bhuti lo because akusuthanda lento akayenza yalike uthando uso-obsessed manje niyambona ukuthi unjani
obsessed njani? How do you mean obsessed?
okay how do you tell ukuthi you-obsessed
ngiyambona nje
Izenzo zakhe?
yeah the way akenza ngakhona u-obsessed lo bhuti alike uthando olusuka emhlabeni
Sanda Sam.
hayi ungangibambi please siyangcolisa alike uthando linje
so how long have you guys been dating
like 2 years
2 years
Just down the drain.
bekuyinto efake nje
bekuyinto fake akakaze angithanda
Okay, I don't care whether it was fake, it was real. I don't
Yabona,
care.
ukhulumisa unomuntu
I
akayidluli.
don't care whether it was
phela
fake.
if it was
Mara-
ukuthi ayikho indoda engabe ibhizi ilandelele emva kwentombazane engizwa kahle ukuthi ngithanda ngimfuni
Okay, baby. Okay.
ngaphandle komuntu odlisile kuphela ngicela yabona ngicela umsuse lana
You
please
were not there when you like.
hlala ngapha akhona
Sanda Sam.
ngicela umsuse please
Sanda Sam.
hlala ngapha
yabona ke mina angifuni yabona manje
hlala kule side
Sanda Sam.
ngicela ungangibambi yazi mase ungenazo izifeelings zendoda ivele nje kunukele nje yabona nje ukuhlala kweseduze wakufana nokuthi kuyanginukela mina hayi
uzohlala la uthi sikhona
Right.
ngicela umsuse yacela umsuse
let's try to solve
Okay.
okay fine hlala phansi ke sizokhuluma
ithi sizwe iside lakhe
lo bhuti lona
uzihlalela ngapha
hlala ngapha ngicela uhlale kule side please cawuza umuntu ongizathini sengibhizi ngicabuzana namadoda nama-ex ngicela umbe ehlala laphaya please
Ama-ex?
ngicela usuke la eduze wami ngicela ukhulume naye
Keep yonke into
Okay.
unikeza impahla zami.
hlalela ngapha uqala see
ya hlala ngapha qala then after that sisakhuluma
Stand Sam.
let's okay wazohlala ngapha
can I go now ngicela ukhulume
let's
wait.
let's try to solve this
Man, guys. Hi, man.
let's try to solve this thing
Stand
ngicela ukhulume
can you see
Wait, baby. Okay,
It-
I'm sorry, Stand Sam.
it's okay hlalela ngapha
hlala lana ke please
okay hlalela la hlalela ngapha
uyayibona ke lento engibhekana nayo every day uyabona ukuthi umuntu osozula that's why ngisamfuni mina ngiyangizela lo bhuti lona yona
Elvin ngikuhlelele ngapha
Elvin sihlale lana
okay hlalela ngapha so okay let me see here
Makahlale
okay
phansi.
ungambambi ke
angibambi
ithi sikhulumeni ke ukuthi ngayisolve kanjani indaba le.
Lobamba ke.
So Elvin, you not you in denial ukuthi ukuthelela umuthi.
In denial. What is that? In denial.
Like you don't want to accept ukuthi like this is love potion.
Which portion?
The one she just said she did.
I don't know about the portion. I don't believe in muti and stuff. I don't believe in those things.
But then the way you are behaving, I can also see.
There's no.
I think that's why she.
Like this, you're okay. Even if you ask our neighbor, they even comment like, "Yo, you guys like we love how you guys love each other. Like we are role models. You see
Okay,
where
but
we
then
come from. We are role models.
But then yeah,
Whatever she's saying, maybe she's confused. You wanna say something?
No, but
No, you
yeah.
are the one who's confused here.
Confused how?
You are confused. When
Confused.
you get
This thing is act, bruh. You see when you get
obsessed.
home,
That's the
obsessed.
problem.
Yeah,
Obsessed.
how am I obsessed? Loving someone is
Hayi
obsession.
ngishumane noma yini, mara obsessed lokho.
Obsessed how?
Ayikho into behavior kanje.
Don't you think you are too much on her?
How? Too much how?
No, like
When
what's
are are you dating, man?
No, I'm not. But
Exactly. So
But you see-
what advice do you think you can give?
No,
me
but
when
you
you're
s-
dating?
but you see what I'm
wait,
looking
when you're not even dating, what advice?
what
do
I'm
you
looking
think
at here, what I'm looking at here
Looking
now.
at what? Looking
it's-
at what?
She says you are too much
too
into
much?
her. You see like what's going on
Because
right
she's
now.
my woman. Must have to be. She's my woman.
You see, this is what drove her off from you.
Which threw
This,
her off?
like being too attached to her. Like, wait.
Yayibona ke into engibhekana
Bruh,
nayo
you can't tell me, bruh, this is my woman.
That's why
You don't have to tell me wait, what.
So this
Bruh,
is this is what you don't want.
Yeah. I'm trying.
If yours to change, would you be?
No. Angicabanga ukuthi vele ngingabuyela kuyi.
Awucabangi.
Cha, sile excellent. Vele lo ngiyabonga. Njoba ngisho njengoba seduze kwakhe kufanele ukuthi kuyangimukela.
You can just stop with that.
Stop with the oven, man.
Just stop with that.
I'm fine. Anyway, angisafuni nikuseye.
Bruh,
Awusafuni
touchy.
Right.
This is my woman.
Awusafuni.
What do you mean touchy?
Right.
Touchy.
Because now she's no longer your
Right.
woman.
Oh,
She
bro.
said
Were
she's
you
someone.
there when I was asking her out? Were going on?
She said this was all into umuthi wakhe.
Ngiyabona.
Touchy.
That's why
Touchy.
ngiyabona wena ungayimela lento le.
ngiyabona.
Lokuphelile.
No, ngiyabona into yakho le.
When it's like, do you want her?
No, what she
Oh,
says,
why-
what she says here now.
wait.
Now I see it. You see now I'm on the side. You
This
see,
guy,
Why are
too
you?
much problem yakhe.
Brad, do you want her?
Ayini.
awusamfuni.
Angiyabonga.
Baby, wait. Brad, do you want her?
Yazi ngiyasifuna ukubeka
Yeah,
indlela.
because like the way it's sounding like you want her, Mozi.
Yeah,
Hey,
so-
no, you are
Yeah, so
touchy.
ukuthi-
Hey, wait, you are touchy. Hey, you are obsessed.
Umuntu wonke lento yenza kanje akusiyi.
Akusiyi.
Ayikho into behavior so emhlabeni ngiyakutshela wena.
Hey, you touchy.
So akuna reverse kule nto le.
Akuna that's why ngithi kumele bamthathe basekibo bayomgabhisa bamkhiphe lento engimfisayo. Yabo. Mina nje ngiright namanje
Right.
umuntu ongibele la ngaphandle guys isikhathi ngicela ukuhamba mina.
Okay, sisiva.
Yeah.
It is what it is before it was what it was. It's your boy M. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, guys, don't do what the lady here did to Umuntwaki. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We out.